Boy, it's a tough winter day in Niagara Falls. I'll show you in a second, but I want to talk to you about some auto repair shop management strategies and tell you what I told a shop owner just like you. Buckle up because we're starting right now. Those clips were all about my friends in the south who call it pretty snow, and when you got to drive in it, it's not that pretty. But I wanted to talk to you about what I just spoke with a repair shop owner and what I told him, because he was considering enrolling in my course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days. He contacted me at Ask the Car Count Fixer, and I'm always ready, willing, and able to answer any questions you have. So you know that I'm putting on this training course, and it's totally free, but yes, there's an investment of your time, and I wouldn't ask you to invest your time, which in fact is your most precious asset, because you can never get more of it. But I wanted to just tell you what I shared with this shop owner. He was asking me, you know, what's he going to get out of this course? Is the investment in time worth it? Well, first of all, let's put it this way. In a nutshell, when you come through this training course, you're going to have the complete system that you can use to increase your car count at any rate and at any scale that you want. Now, I call it double your car count, but if you want to scale this and go 3 times your car count, 4 times your car count, it's really up to you. It's all about the work that you put into it. But let me tell you this. I like quoting some of the greats from the business world, and one of them come up in this conversation, and it was a Zig Ziglar quote. And Zig Ziglar used to say that if you're not willing to learn, nobody can help you. But if you are willing to learn, nobody can stop you. Look, this course is full of gems and things that I tell my underground group of car count hackers. Like, let me give you an example. Oh, wait a second, there's just one more thing that I want to mention to you while I'm here. I'm sorry, I've been driving around in this snow and I don't want to take up a lot of your time. But I've got 2 or 3 things coming out in the next 30 days or so that are going to be sort of different. And one thing that I would really appreciate from you is information and input into what you want to see more of on this channel. Look, I can tell you I could produce thousands of videos on different things because I've been doing this for so long. But what's more important to me is your advice on what you're looking for. What are you struggling with in auto service marketing and, you know, to build your car count? So in the comments below, go ahead and leave that information, and I promise I read every comment and I'll get back to you afterwards. Like, let me give you an example. What if I give you a simple 4-step formula? I call it the car count cube. It's so simple that all you have to do is follow those 4 steps, and I promise every time you invest a dime in any of your auto repair shop marketing, it's going to work like it's $1. Then we're going to talk about other things like your offers and building assets. Look, it becomes so simple. When you come through the course, you're going to understand the 3 offers that you need to build it for your repair shop and how to market it. We're going to build everything so that you're ready to go. And like I said, this is a system that you can implement whenever you want, and it's repeatable and scalable. So no matter where your car count numbers are at, I'm going to show you how to double them and triple them to whatever level you want to do. And another quote from Zig Ziglar was, you don't have to be great to start, but you got to start to be great. Listen, that's what this is all about. Whether you're an established repair shop, you've been doing it for 20, 30 years, or you're just a relatively new shop, maybe you're 6 months old or a year old, I'm going to show you the assets that you need to put together. And this is talking about marketing assets, things that you need to get in line so that as soon as you see a slump in your car count, you can deploy these strategies. But better yet, you run these on a system so that you're doing this on a regular basis, and it becomes scalable to whatever level you want. So before I head back to the office in the snow here, I'm going to ask you one more time. Do you want to get in on this course? Here's the hook. You know there's got to be a hook, right? Well, here's the hook. This course will become a paid training course. Matter of fact, we're working on some of the structure there, so it's not going to be free for long. The only thing I'm asking of you to take this course for free is your advice and your input. Tell me what I did well, or tell me what I didn't do well. Tell me what I missed. Tell me what you want to see more of. But I promise there's going to be 10 times the value in this training course that no other auto repair shop guru or training course is going to tell you, because it's going to be something that you can start immediately. Look, I know, you want to jump into Facebook ads. Well, go ahead, because if you knew what I knew about Facebook ads, I'm going to tell you right now that you can't afford to do Facebook ads and advertise to people that are 100 miles away from you, and they're not going to come to your shop anyway, so why waste your time? I'm talking about strategies that take, every dime you invest in marketing and make it work like $1, so that you're guaranteed virtually to put car count in your shop anytime you want. It's repeatable, it's scalable, and I want you to be in it. And the only thing I'm asking for in exchange is your comments. Tell me, give me some advice on what I did wrong, what I did right, what I missed, and what you'd like to see more of. So do that now in the links below. Go to the link for Double Your Car Count and register on this training course. I'm telling you now, it won't be free for long. But in the meantime, for the 2 or 3 of you that are still hanging around the end of the video here, go over and watch these videos. Don't forget to hit the subscriber button and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time I upload new information and new videos. I'm Matthew Lee, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you for watching.